All right, so here's the problems that I had you doing on your own. Let's go ahead and do them together here. A squared plus 5a equals 0. Let's find the greatest common factor. I'm going to factor out, there's no number here, so that's fine. Let's, what can we factor out between a squared and a? Just a single a. So we're going to pull a out, and then we're going to divide everything on the inside by a, which leaves us with a times a plus 5. So your answers are a equals 0 and a plus 5 equals 0, which when I subtract both sides I get negative 5. So there's my solution, 0 and negative 5. It was kind of nice on this first one here that it was solved for us. We didn't have to do anything. All right, number 2 here. We have 3s squared minus 9s equals 0. Greatest common factor first. We have a 3 and we have a 9. So that's the 3. This is the greatest common factor there. We have an s squared and an s. So s is the greatest common factor. So that's what I'm going to factor out, which means I'm then going to go into that expression and divide everything by 3s. And so I have 3s times 3 divided by 3 is 1. S squared divided by s is s. 9 divided by 3 is 3. S divided by s is 1. So here's my factored form. Now, if either of these are 0, the whole expression is 0. So that means that this one would be 0. And if I add 3 to both sides, this one's equal to 3. And so my solutions are 0 and 3. Here was your last one. Had to do a little bit more on this one. Notice that it's not equal to 0. So the first thing you need to do is get the x's on the same side so that it's equal to 0. That's step 1. Now let's do what we've been doing, right? Pull out the greatest common factor. So what's my greatest common factor here? 2 and 4 is 2. X and x squared is x. So I'm pulling out 2x, which means I'm dividing this expression by 2x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. X squared divided by x is x. 2x divided by 2x, anything divided by itself is 1. So the 0 product property tells me that if 2x equals 0 and if 2x minus 1 equals 0, they will both be solutions. So one of them is 0. The other one, let's do it up here. I ran out of space. Add 1, add 1. So this is 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals 1/2. So my solutions are 0 and 1/2. And that's everything we have for chapter 8.4. Head on back to your Canvas and look at your assignment for some extra practice. This factoring one does need extra practice because factoring definitely takes time to kind of like let it sink in. So keep that in mind as you're running through your practice tonight. And again, as always, let me know if you have any questions. I am here for you. All right. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you another time.